In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery in a 2009 to 2015 Ford key fob. This key fob takes a CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. For this, you will need just a flathead screwdriver and the key fob itself. First thing we're going to do is press this button to open up the manual key. And then on this side, you'll see that there is a slot here, the smaller slot. If you stick a screwdriver in there and wedge the two pieces apart, you'll see that there a crack forms here. If you just grab this and pull the two sections apart, then you can take the physical key and you can wedge it in between this section here. I find it works a little bit better than the screwdriver. Just kind of wedge it apart until it opens up. Then you can open up the key fob, and then we have our CR2032 battery. So to remove it, all we need to do is kind of put your finger on it so it doesn't fly out, but then stick this screwdriver underneath one of the corners and it'll come out. Get rid of the old battery, get your new battery and slide it in from this angle, pressing down, and then it'll seat in. Once it's seated in, you can attach this section again and it'll click together. Once that's clicked together, you can take this part of the key and press it on. It'll also click. Close your physical key and you're done. Hopefully this video helped you out in switching out your battery. If it did, leave it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.